Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I am updating two pieces that I got from the thrift store. And I'll tell you all about the collaboration I'm participating in just a little bit. But let's get right to work. So after cleaning up this beautiful wooden sculpture, I am giving it 2 coats of watered down antique wax as a stain, just to bring back some of that original luster and color and richness. And I think it really did the job. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink while I bring these 2 pieces back to life. Today, I'm participating in the Third Thursday Thrift Flip, hosted by the Rusted Willow and Southern Gilmore Girls. Links to both their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's move on to my second piece. On a recent trip to South Africa, of course, I had to go thrifting. And I found this beautiful African mask for 450 Rand, which is $45 US. After giving it a thorough cleaning, I'm coming in with 2 coats of watered down folk art antique wax, and I'm using that as a stain, concentrating mostly on the darker areas to give that more color saturation. After allowing both of my pieces to thoroughly dry, I come back in with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum x2 Ultra Cover in clear gloss to bring back that original luster and shine. And I think they came out beautifully. So make sure you watch all the way till the end for the final reveal. Please make sure to stop by both of our host channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. And visit the playlist for some awesome thrift flip inspiration. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I want to thank you for watching today and hope that it gives you inspiration to flip some of your thrift pieces. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.